The pronoun what indicates the vast range of the subject or object because the pronoun what indicates every subject or object except the subject or object indicated by the pronoun who, from the perspective that the pronoun what solely indicates a subject or an object that is independent. The pronoun who indicates a subject or an object that is a person. So this indication, direct way. The pronoun what indicates a subject or an object that is not a person. So this indication also direct way. The pronoun whose indicates an object on the premise that the object belongs to a subject. So the way of indication that the pronoun whose can be in an indirect way. The pronoun which indicates a part of the predetermined range of the object. This means that the speaker already sets the range of the indication, and the speaker states the clause with the pronoun which to indicate a part of the predetermined range of the subject or object. There can be a premise of the fact that the speaker indicates a part of the predetermined range of the subject or object can be considered in an indirect way because predetermined range. So we can understand the pronoun who or what indicates a subject or an object in a direct way, independent from the premise to apply the pronoun in a sentence. The speaker applies the pronoun what as a subordinating conjunction to clarify the subject or object that the speaker intends to indicate from the description in the subordinate clause rather than the direct indication. The speaker applies the pronoun what that indicates the vast range of subject or object in the subordinate clause. The pronoun what is applied to link the subordinate clause that has the trait as a pronoun to indicate the described subject or object to be applied in the main clause as a subject or object. The subordinate clause, which includes the pronoun what as a subordinating conjunction and the description about the indicated subject or object by the pronoun what, only has the trait as a pronoun as a whole. So the speaker who intends to indicate a subject or an object with the description in the subordinate clause can apply the pronoun what in the subordinate clause that is the indication as itself, rather than a description about the precedent. The speaker directly indicates the described subject or object in the subordinate clause. The speaker does not apply the precedent in the main clause with the subordinate clause linked by the subordinating conjunction what.